So ayun, Ma'am Nerissa. Yan, si Sir EJ yan. Siya yung may-ari ng King David sa Isulan. Ma'am Nerissa is from Parang, no? Alam niyo na yan.
Parang Joyful Kids.
Yes. And Ma'am Johaira from Skia again. Wow. So kanina nasa Flower Farm kami. Ngayon nasa PMA, Philippine Military Academy. Sabi nila, pahinga muna anak. So yung nakikita nyo yung mga aircraft sa likod. Yan. So they're on display. Hindi na ho sila lumilipad kasi siguro mga retired na ito sila. No?
Pagod na sila.
Yes. So yung mga fighter jet. O yan. So, very fortunate and thankful sa aming sponsor, Rex Publishing House. Ayan. So, daming type of aircraft na dito sa loob. So, Ma'am Nerissa, what are your thoughts?
I really love to be here and salute to all military for the Air Force, the Philippine Air Force, and all the kids like 18 years old. So try to pass the exam and then you'll be here.
And become our hero.
Yeah.
Okay. Si Ma'am Dunong busy-busy.
Hello everyone, please subscribe.
Thank you. Yan. So Ma'am Jo, si Ma'am kasi ilang beses na siya dito.
3 times.
Yeah,
So how do you find
time.
the
Baguio,
PMA?
PMA.
Hindi ba ito compound matatawag mo? No? Camp, ayun.
Military camp.
Camp,
Yeah,
ayan.
actually, no, salute to them because we know naman, no, they are the one actually served
The
this
country.
no. So alhamdulillah because we managed to visit this, no, sa stay namin dito sa Baguio City. So welcome.
Yan, welcome. Sana makabalik ako.
Inshallah.